Hey guys, it's the Simplexiter. Just want to say, yes, finally! After for so long, I finally got a chance to upload videos onto YouTube. It's been a whole month since I've been doing it. Well, since I've been off, of course. But anyways, it's been a long time since I've been uploading videos onto YouTube, so this time I finally got to do it. But anyways, enjoy the show, everyone.
On the dotted line, that's Philadelphia, freedom rate, and patriotic voices say red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America. Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at life with my own eyes.
Hello folks, we're here in the Red River City of Moorhead, Minnesota. Looks like there's 2 lanes. So we'll take the soft touch car wash today. And the touchless one is close anyway. Hey, it's a Ryko Softgloss Maxx. I haven't filmed one of those in a while.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen or touch the Enter Code button to enter your code.
Okay, so this is the code reader right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Enter Code. Sorry.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Touch Enter when finished.
Okay. Let's see what I got here. So it's 2, 1, 3, 5, 0. Oh, shoot. Dang it. Okay, let me re-enter that again. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 5, 0, 0. Enter.
Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
Oh, here we go. But I'm sure it went through okay. Still raining. I don't know why this rain's dropping a little bit. comes the pre-wash. Why is it just... I don't get why this is just doing that. There's no reason for that. Alright. Cut off the engine. Alright, triple foam. And the water's still going off. Well, that's one way to get the triple foam soap working. Oh, here comes the brushes. Turn on my side. We're in too. Of course, they don't have real blasters. And the fronts too. Here comes the big one. I know it's a Softgloss Maxx because the way it looks. Oh, here comes the, what is it doing? That's the overglow. Bubble wax. Clear coat sealant. The rain is still going off. This is really not how a car should work. Just go through the rain part. I think it's fun just to do that. What do you think? Alright. My favorite dryer. The Ryko Thrust Pro with the slimline dryers. People call it Slimline Thrust Pro for short. zip line right above it. 16 seconds. Oh my, that's not a lot of time. Better hurry. All right. Wow. I'd say, other than that rain that was a mistake a little bit for the car wash, I think it was pretty good. What do you guys think? Well, if you like the car wash video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel of the Simplex Center, please go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Until then, we will see you next time.